Assalamualaikum boys and girls, and we are back with another video. In this video I will show you how you can use your old mobile or Android or iPhone as your webcam for your video recording. I am using my old mobile for as a webcam. Today I will show you how you can too. First of all, let's go to the main screen and you have to come to Google, and then you have to search DroidCam. This DroidCam OBS, not app. We need the OBS plugin. Click on this DroidCam by 47 Dev 47, and then scroll down and click on. Okay, there it is. OBS plugin. You have to click on this OBS plugin. So now click on this, install the DroidCam OBS plugin. Once you click on this, it will ask you for your operating system. Click on Windows, and if you have Linux, click on Linux. And now click on this OBS plugin. It will start this, as you guys can see, OBS setup. There it is. Now you have to just double click on it, or one time click on it, click yes, then agree, and then wherever your OBS is stored, click on browse and then select your OBS location, then next, and then hit install. It will now install in your OBS. Second thing you need is DroidCam app on your mobile. At the very end, this thing, DroidCam app. And once you open your app, it will tell you your Wi-Fi IP and DroidCam port. You need only your Wi-Fi IP. Let me tell you how you can set it up. Go to OBS and then click on add, and then you have to, oh sorry, not this. Click on add plus, and then you will see DroidCam OBS, this thing. If you have OBS opened before installation, just restart OBS, it will show up here. Click on DroidCam OBS, then click on OK, and now it will ask, there it is, Wi-Fi. You have to keep in mind this DroidCam port is should be same as your mobile, and then Wi-Fi IP. I'm putting a Wi-Fi IP here, and click on activate, and then okay. Yep, there you go. Our second camera, as you guys can see, our second camera is now live. So that was it for today's short video. Now you will know how you can use your old mobile, Android, iPhone, any mobile as a webcam.